So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to trim a video here on VN Video Editor. So a couple different ways you can do this. First and foremost, if you select a clip right here, so I have my clip if I select it. If you slide all the way to the right, you want to make sure that this clip is selected. I want you to double tap it, and then this bar at the end, this yellow bar, if you were to go ahead and move it in more, it then actually will trim the video. So if you were to go ahead and play it, as you can tell, the video has now been trimmed. If you were to go ahead and select it, you can drag it, you can make it larger. Another way you can do it as well is to go to the bottom left and select trim. And then once you're here on this screen, you can go ahead and trim the video, do what you got to do. So if you wanted to trim it like this, you can go ahead and press the check mark and you could play it again, which I will do. And the video that I've now made has been trimmed accordingly. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to trim a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.